Hi, welcome to the Acai Kasei Kitchen Revolution. Today we're going to make one of my favorite recipes. This is the Roshina's Masala fried eggs. It's a little twist on fried eggs that I came up with one day using things I had left over in my kitchen. It became a favorite recipe in our house, but we couldn't use it too often because it has too much oil in it. But ever since I discovered Acai Kasei frying pan foil, I found I can have this recipe as often as I like because I've cut out the oil almost completely. We're going to use a normal pan. The great thing about Acai Kasei frying pan foil is you can use it on any pan. It doesn't have to be Teflon coated, which is great because it cuts out the unhealthy aspect of Teflon getting into our systems as well. So the first thing we're going to do today is cover this pan with the fantastic frying pan foil from Acai Kasei. So Acai Kasei products come in very easy to use boxes which allow you to tear off the product really easily, as you can see. And then we're going to put the frying pan foil into our pan. So press the edges of your foil down really well. Make sure you cut a slightly longer piece so you have edges to fold over. I'm going to mix up the mixture for my masala fried eggs. So we are going to do something just for one person today. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of onion, a tablespoon of tomato. So what I've got here are chilies that I've chopped and kept ahead of time. Now traditionally we used to use a little bit of damp kitchen towel to keep herbs from going black until we were ready to use them. But I've also found that the Acai Kasei premium kitchen wrap is brilliant for keeping food fresh. I can cut any kind of fruit or vegetable even a day ahead and keep it under this. It doesn't discolor and it stays fresh for the next day. Now I'm going to add a little bit of green chili to my mixture and I'm going to mix this up and cover it up and put it aside until I need it. The great thing about Acai Kasei premium kitchen wrap is you don't have to struggle with it like you do with normal cling wrap. You don't waste it, it cuts off easily, and it's really easy to use. So we'll just put this aside for a little while. My pan is now warm enough. We are just going to brush this with a little bit of olive oil. Ideally, I would have added a little more, but I don't think we need it. Now you're going to see the wonder that is acai because I'm going to fry an egg in just that much oil. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of garlic. If you like things spicy, then half a teaspoon of chili. Put a little bit of chili in because it really spices things up. Now we're just going to cook this to brown it. So as you can see, my garlic has got nice and golden brown. There's barely a smidgen of oil in this pan and we've got beautiful golden brown garlic. Bring all the garlic and chilies that you've fried to the middle of your pan. So look at that, I am frying eggs and there's barely a drop of oil in this pan. Imagine that. You can have a fried egg cooked like this every morning and your doctor's not going to have a complaint. The whites at the edges are just about to set. So I'm going to pull out this mixture that I've got sitting over here. Take the spoonfuls of mixture and just sprinkle them on top. We do need to work a little bit fast because we don't want the eggs to become hard set. I'm going to sprinkle a pinch of chili powder. I have this with dal rice or with khichdi or with bread, so it kind of evens out. So now we have the last touch left, which is salt, because nothing tastes good without salt on it. So with just a pinch of salt. So my eggs are cooked now and I need to add lime, and for that I'm going to switch the gas off because lime will turn bitter if I put it in while the gas is still on. And here we go. And this is ready to eat. I have cooked 2 runny yolk yummy fried eggs with less than a drop of oil. I'm sure at this point you're wondering whether those fried eggs are actually going to come off that pan. Well, I'm going to show you. Gently ease the eggs off, and please look at how easily they're coming off. All we need to be careful with on this is not breaking the eggs because they are coming off really smoothly from my pan. So here you go. We have got 2 perfectly fried, slightly runny yolked eggs ready to eat. Now it's time to plate them up and actually eat them.